Do you need to make a payment? Not a problem. We're here to show you exactly how, with an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide. Whether you're on our portal or on our app, the process is straightforward. Start with logging into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, simply find the Make a Payment button on the main dashboard and click it. If at any point you see a question mark icon, click on it to see more information. If you're using the Johnnie Johnson Housing app on your tablet or mobile phone, the Make a Payment button can be found on the Payments page. Once on the Payments page, simply enter your details. First, your customer reference number. Your customer reference number can be found on your annual statement. Second, enter your payment amount. And finally, which service you're paying for. Once complete, you'll receive a confirmation email that your payment has been successfully taken. And better yet, we offer more ways to pay than ever before. You can pay via text, standing order, direct debit, or over the phone. For more information, search Johnnie Johnson Housing Ways to Pay. Still have questions? Not a problem. Simply get in touch with a member of the team by phone or email. Congratulations! You just successfully made a payment on the Johnnie Johnson Housing portal and app.